If someone truly desires to build muscle quickly, but lacks access to a gym or equipment, the journey doesn't end there. In fact, it begins in a much more raw and powerful way. The transformation lies within, and it starts with understanding that the human body is its own best tool. No weights, no machines, just pure, functional strength drawn from movement, control, and willpower. Through 6 of the most intense bodyweight exercises, anyone can reshape their body, enhance endurance, and unlock an elevated version of themselves. These are not just exercises. They're a testament to what focused, consistent effort can achieve without a single dumbbell. And as the journey unfolds, it becomes clear that exercise number 5 is a true game changer. Push-ups. A simple word with massive impact. At the core of upper body development, push-ups have stood the test of time as one of the most potent exercises, requiring no more than one's own weight. With each repetition, the chest expands, the shoulders stabilize, the triceps contract, and the core braces, all working in unison to deliver a sculpted, powerful frame. Unlike isolated gym movements, push-ups demand full-body cooperation, engaging stabilizing muscles that machines neglect. The result? Enhanced definition, joint, reinforcement, and real-world strength. And the beauty of this movement lies in its variety. Diamond push-ups target the triceps with precision, wide push-ups emphasize the chest, archer push-ups challenge unilateral control, and explosive push-ups introduce power and speed. With proper form, starting from a high plank, lowering with control, and pushing up with intent, the body learns resilience and strength. For those seeking greater intensity, clapping push-ups or slow, controlled archer push-ups elevate the challenge. When it comes to forging formidable legs, few movements compare to the squat. Bodyweight squats, performed with purpose and precision, have the power to ignite the entire lower body, from quads and hamstrings to glutes and core. This fundamental compound movement replicates natural human motion: sitting, standing, rising, and driving. As such, it not only builds size and strength but also enhances balance, mobility, and joint health. Squats are a catalyst for growth. Hormone release, helping the body build muscle and burn fat more efficiently. And because they demand core stabilization, posture and coordination improve simultaneously, with feet shoulder-width apart, chest lifted, and core braced. Lowering into a squat until thighs reach parallel becomes a ritual of strength. Pushing through the heels, activating the glutes, and rising with control completes the movement. Mastering this technique and increasing reps can deliver results rivaling those of weighted squats. For heightened intensity, jump squats, Bulgarian split squats, or pause squats turn up the burn and build greater endurance. The plank, an unassuming position, yet one of the most brutal and effective tools for core strength. It doesn't just work the surface-level six-pack muscles. It goes deeper, targeting the obliques and the transverse abdominis, the very muscles responsible for true core stability. Unlike crunches, which often isolate only a portion of the abdominals, the plank activates the entire core, leading to better balance, improved athletic function, and greater resistance to fatigue. Athletes, fighters, gymnasts, they all rely on the plank to build foundational strength. But the benefits don't stop at the core. Shoulders, chest, lower back, and glutes are all recruited to hold the body in perfect alignment. This full body tension builds not only strength, but also resilience against injury, particularly in the lower back. Starting from the forearm position, elbows beneath the shoulders, spine neutral, and core tight, holding for time becomes a mental and physical test. Beginners might start with 30 seconds and build from there. And as strength grows, variations like side planks, moving planks, or weighted planks can further challenge the body. Lunges introduce a new dimension to bodyweight training: unilateral focus. While squats dominate the bilateral scene, lunges dissect strength one leg at a time, correcting imbalances, enhancing stability, and delivering a more balanced physique. This movement trains the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and core, all while demanding superior balance and coordination. Lunges reflect real-world movement patterns: walking, climbing, running, making them incredibly functional. They help athletes move with power and control, while also sculpting strong, well-defined legs. The execution is simple, yet requires precision, a tall stance, a forward step, knees bent at 90 degrees, and control through the descent. The front heel becomes the power source to rise, and each rep becomes a study in control. To increase the challenge, jump lunges test explosiveness, while Bulgarian split squats bring balance and depth to the routine. Burpees. The name alone commands respect. They're more than a movement, they're a test of will. Each rep is a fusion of multiple exercises, delivering a full-body workout that burns fat, builds muscle, and shatters endurance limits. With each drop, push-up, and jump, the heart rate climbs and the body ignites. The chest, arms, core, and legs are all engaged in this dynamic movement. Burpees not only sculpt lean muscle but also torch calories, making them a dual weapon for aesthetics and performance. For those chasing a shredded, explosive physique, burpees must become a staple. The flow begins from a standing position, dropping into a squat, planting the hands, kicking back into plank, executing a push-up, springing the feet forward, and leaping into the air, all as one powerful chain. For those still building stamina, simplifying by removing the jump or push-up can help ease the burn, while still delivering impressive gains. And then come glute bridges, the often overlooked, yet profoundly essential movement. While many chase biceps or abs, the real power lies in the glutes. As the largest muscle group, the glutes are central to strength, stability, and injury prevention. Glute bridges isolate and activate the gluteus maximus, medius, and surrounding muscles, building a firm foundation for leg power and lower back health. Athletes rely on strong glutes for explosive speed, balance, and spinal protection. This exercise enhances posture, reduces back pain risk, and boosts performance across other movements like squats and jumps. Lying on the floor, knees bent, heels grounded, and arms flat, the hips drive upward into full extension. At the peak, the glutes contract, forming a perfect bridge from shoulder to knee. Lowering with control and repeating builds both size and strength. Advanced variations like single-leg bridges intensify the activation, requiring even more control and balance. Through these 6 powerful exercises, push-ups, squats, planks, lunges, burpees, and glute bridges, the body can be completely transformed using nothing but its own weight. Muscle mass, endurance, coordination, and posture all improve with consistency and proper form. No gym required, no excuses left. Just raw, relentless progress.